Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul today from none other than a Tuesday morning. So, it's a couple Tuesday mornings that I got these things from, but I'm just going to show you all this one haul. So I picked these Pebbles ephemera up, the land that I love, for $1.99, and it's 211-5947. I'm sure you've seen these. They were out for a while. I picked up these breads, not too shabby, by Love and Lemon. 16 pieces, $2.49. They have a ton of different ones. I ended up getting this one. I just thought because the shapes were just so different and just, you know, creative. I love the Hello Darling Memories and just the banner with the breads and stuff. So pretty pastel colors. 212-9513. And you can kind of check those out. Got my blinds open, hopefully you can see. I did pick up two of the Happy Jig Natural Wire multi-racks, 15 yards each, because, you know, once these are all gone, they're gone. So I figured I'd get more than enough. They were $5.99 each. 217-5789. FYI, these will set the metal detectors off at your local Tuesday morning. Found that out. Well, not at the door, but at the counter. It set the counter alarm off, and they were telling me because it had wire in it that it does that. So, but it didn't set the door alarm off, which is what they were expecting, but it did. I guess I set it too close to something on the machine. But anyway, so that comes in 6 colors. You got, you know, your gold, rose gold, and you got your copper, and your black, and your silver, and your brass. So 6 natural colors that you can make a lot with that. And I did get the Pebble stickers. I do have the ephemera pieces of this. I was hoping to find a girl sticker set too, because I love making baby albums. I don't always get to show them up here, but I do make quite a few of those. And sometimes I'm in between traveling. I don't get to show all the projects I make, but I do make quite a few baby albums. 215-4771. And so I just got those little sticker sets, and like I said, very pretty soft grays and nice muted, you know, colors. And I went to the store looking for one of my crafty friends. Hey Susan. We were chatting, and she was, you know, asking me about one of the stamps. That's the Bow Bunny. I could not find the coffee one, so we haven't gotten that one. I looked at maybe 4 Tuesday mornings and didn't see it, but I did find this one, Life's a Beach. I don't think I have this one. It says August, but I don't think it came out last year. But anyway, I like this one. It says Sun Lotion, Summertime, Original Cream Soda. Of course, these are $2.99, good price. Summer at the beach. So you got your sandcastle and beach house and everything. So I just thought it was a nice summery beach, and we're near the water, so perfect. 217-4844. And I'm pretty sure I own this one, but I picked this up for somebody else. 217-4838, and this is wall to wall. I don't know if you can see all these again, the lighting. Let me see. Unless it's better or worse. I think you can see better. So anyway, that's the way that one looked, and that one. Then the butterfly, the layered one, again for somebody else, 217-4842. I got that the last time that came out. I got this for myself. This is the Maggie Holmes. I just forgot which collection. Anyway, I got that Bloom. 217-4822. And I'm not sure if I have this one. I think I do, so I'll probably gift that to somebody or take it back. But it's 206-8476, and this is the one with the deer. It says deer on it, but there's no deer in it. So I think I do have that one. I wish they had the paper collections they go with. And when you Google online, they don't tell you which ones they go with, although you can mix them up. But I still like to know which one goes with which one so I can match my stuff up. Because I got, like, when they had the other 8 sets out at Tuesday morning, I got each one of the sets, but they don't tell you, like this one does on the back. And, you know, from that print, that's Bloom. But the other ones don't tell you which it goes to. And I saw this on Yvette's channel. The Cos Girl, she had showed this on her IG too. And I brought this paper. I have this paper on the floor actually, and my stack. I'm printing out some pictures to do of my grandson. This is a 12 by 12 recollections pad. This is a couple years old because I know I bought it a few years back. I don't know what year it was, but so this, I just got an extra pad for $4.99. It wasn't a bad price at all. So I got a duplicate so I could, if I need to do some extra pages or whatever, because I've got about 4 years of him dressing up in every kind of costume that you can think of. 2170166. It has August 19 up here, so I guess this will be out this month in August. But if you haven't seen it, like I said, this is probably, it's got to be at least 3, 4, I don't know, years. I don't know how many years it is, but it's a couple years, I'm sure. And so I just thought it was a good, nice, masculine little boy paper pads, because that's not how most of my paper pads are. So I get them, I snatch them up, but there's a boy's pad because you just don't see them that often. And you know, as crafters, we just don't get to get some boy stuff. And then last but not least, I got some more of the Darice dies. Again, this is great for starters for anybody, but for $3.99 you can get CD dies. These are bigger dies compared to most of, even on AliExpress, the dies aren't this big for this price. These are usually bigger dies. So these are great for scrapbook layouts. $3.99, and they come with the magnets, so you already have something to keep them in. But so and they cut very well and they emboss. So great dies. 216-2982. This is called flags. You have 9 different flags. So they cut out, and they also have those impressions embossed in them, and some of them cut out those shapes. So I just thought it was really neat. These would be great too, like under pictures. Like if you're scrapbooking, you can put some of these under, and you also can make a banner out of it because it's got the holes right there too. So it just depends on how you want to do it, but can't beat that. So that's the smaller one, but then I also got the large one, and this is 216-2983, and this is 82. If I didn't read that, the last 2 digits, and this is 83. So this is a larger one, and as you can see, compared to my hand, the size of that can make a nice size banner right there. You already got your 2 holes right there punched for your string, and you can make a banner quickly out of that. And this one, every time I get on camera, I can never read it, but it says enjoy the little things. I had to practice it because I can read it when I'm off camera. Doing it on the camera, like, oh, what does it say again? But anyway, enjoy the little things. And it's called Enjoy. 216-2976. And I read the number so you can, they still let you call and check out the numbers. And this is just shapes. So you got a coffee, a balloon, a heart, a banner, I guess a cloud with teardrops. So each one have different little shapes inside of it. So these again, cut in the balls just to add you some little dimension to those little common little shapes. 216-2994. So you can jazz things up. So like I said, look how big this die is. You put a whole card front, or that can be your layout, your center title for a scrapbook layout for something that big, or it could be a nice 5x7 card, A7 card, or a 6x6, whatever. But anyway, so that's my haul from TM, and I'm not sure when this video will be up because I'm on vacay, get ready to leave, so I'm just trying to do a whole bunch of videos, and then I'm going to schedule them while I'm gone. But thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.